Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update for Monday 18th of April. And where are those trolling comments? Where are the haters, the doubters, the people who say that technical analysis doesn't work? I see so many people, they like to bash and have a loud mouth and talk because they bought into something and it didn't go up, and that's the reason why they like to bash about things like oh, technical analysis does not work and stuff like that. If you're new to this channel, watch this channel because you must be speaking out of your mind when you say that technical analysis doesn't work. I've been right on the money with this technical analysis. Why? Because above here, it's been a long journey that I've been telling you. Right down here, we were predicting all of these pumps to the upside, okay? These were all targets that was given to the upside. I was mentioning the fact that you need to cross even this level to actually continue to go to this level right over here, okay? We didn't cross this level. We didn't go to that level. Instead, we came to the downside. I told you, you are losing the golden ratio right above here at the 220s, and it seems like you're going to go to the 145. Look, we are almost near the technical target of the 146. It's just a thin air in between to actually reach there. Okay, and now from here you are looking to actually, the question really is, yesterday we talked about maybe a 40% dump makes more sense, and here we are. I will say that this is a bear flag to me right now, and I talked about the bear flag, and where does the bear flag takes you? It's a simple bear flag trading, nothing else. Okay, so you take the top to the bottom from where you came from, make the bear flag, this is where you broke out of, and it takes you to the 100 region or the 1 cents region. Okay, so that's just how simple analysis I did, and people are like, oh no, SLP is dead, it's done. Everything is going down, by the way. Everything is going down along with Bitcoin. So watch the Bitcoin update, even though I'm just gonna make a small comment on this update as well, and that is Bitcoin. To me, I told you it's making a symmetrical triangle, and this one I told you yesterday as well. So I am on the Q coin, so here we are. This is your symmetrical triangle, which is a bearish continuation pattern. From where you came from is where you're gonna actually down to the downside, to the maybe $34,000, $33,800. This will be taking down SLP pretty much every single market. Okay, and that's just all in this update today that I want to talk about. And if you've been watching the updates, if it's an impressive predictions, if you love the prediction, if you have been saving the money, because I'm pretty sure you might have saved something from the day I was talking about losing this trend line. I've already saved like 26% of the dump, right? So it just want to tell you, you can do this by yourself. So do check out my trading course, and you're gonna pay 29 bucks instead of 49. Message me on the Discord, and I'm gonna give you the option to pay with cryptocurrency for 29 bucks. Okay, watch this video and what you're about to understand what you're about to learn in this course. And that's it. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.